Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to MD Cat with the SK. First MCQs. Which of the following is a state function? Work, heat, internal energy, path length. So correct option C, internal energy. Internal energy depends on the state of a system, not path. Hence, it is a state function. Work and heat are path function. Next MCQs. First law of thermodynamics is a restatement of law of conservation of energy, Newton's second law, Pascal law of entropy. So correct option A, law of conservation of energy. First, the first law states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It is a form of energy conservation. Next MCQs. When a gas is compressed, work is done by the gas done on the gas 0 infinite. So correct option B, done on the gas. During compression, external force is applied to decrease volume. So work is done on the gas. Next MCQs. Which thermodynamic process occur at constant temperature? Isobaric, isochoric, isothermal, adiabatic. So correct option C, isothermal process. In isothermal process, temperature remain constant, volume and pressure may change. Next MCQs. In an adiabatic process, temperature remain constant, no heat is exchanged, pressure remain constant, volume remain constant. So correct option B, no heat is exchanged. Adiabatic means no heat exchange. Q is equal to 0. Temperature can change due to work done. Next MCQs. The unit of entropy in SI is joule per Kelvin, Newton per meter square, watt, joule per kilogram. So correct option A, joule per Kelvin. Entropy is a measure of disorder or randomness and its SI unit is joule per Kelvin. Next MCQs. In a cyclic process, the change in internal energy is 0, maximum, negative, equal to work done. So correct option A, 0. In a cyclic process, the system return to its original state, so del U is equal to 0. Next MCQs. Which law of thermodynamics defines temperature? First, second, zeroth, third. So correct option C, zeroth law. Zeroth law defines thermal equilibrium and help us understand temperature as a measurable quantity. Next MCQs. The efficiency of Carnot engine depends on nature of working substance, pressure only, temperature of source and sink, volume of cylinder. So correct option C, temperature of source and sink. Carnot efficiency depends only on temperature of hot and cooled reservoirs, not on working substance. Next and last MCQs. Which of the following process increases the entropy of system? Freezing of water, melting of ice, compression of gases, formation of crystal. The correct option B, melting of ice. Melting increases randomness, disorderness, so entropy increases.